to be all the love we'll ever need. Love that sees, love that cries, love that yearns for humankind. I hope you find Christmas means love that's tender, warm and true. Love that's made for me and you. I hope you find Christmas means love that sees, love that cries, love that stands the test of time. Love that's sound, love that's grand.